Hi, I am Boomer. I am here to tell about the new web lecture series I have created called Boomer Reads. #Boomer Reads. One word. I have decided to team with Chris Karate to make this web series to help all the wage cucks like Zuma, Kuma, Duma, Chad, Wojak and Bloomer. I want to toughen your generation up. I will toughen your up by reading various selections and quotes from authors with wisdom and a pair of brass balls in one. You to hear from various authors like Robert E. Howard, Musashi Orwell, Philip K. Dick, Ulrich Thomas Paine, Sun Tzu, Thomas Jefferson, Neville Goddard, William Walker Atkinson, Mitch Horowitz, Alan Watts and many more. I may even throw in occasional quotes from famous athletes like the Ultimate Warrior Yamaguchi, the Cat, Conor McGregor or Miyagi Chojin. I feel words from men like these will toughen you up, and you may even become a rich son of a bitch and get a harem. So grab a cold one and put beer in belly, cause we are going on a wild ride into the abyss.